Welcome back, everybody. Lightning ESL Word of the Day. Word of the Day. When should I stop? Let's twirl it around. Let's see. There's so many words up here. So many words. It's unbelievable. What do you think? Easy words? Difficult words? What do you think? No? 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 Oh, okay. Density. Density? How do you spell the word density? Okay. Den is D-E-N. S-I-T-Y. Density. Now the word density might have some syllables to it. Yeah. Den-se-ti. Three main syllables for the word density. Density refers to many things. In particular, how many people live in a certain area. How many people? 1,000 people, 1,000,000 people, and so on. That's the density of population for that certain area. That's density. Another way of saying the word density is, let's say you're picking up a block of lead, all right? Or a block of gold, all right? They're very heavy. Yeah. 1 ounce of something is very light. But if you take up, let's say, 100 ounces of something, of gold or lead, you'll notice there's different weights. That's the density of that material. How heavy something is the density. What's happening is the molecules that create that object are very tight and a lot of them in a small space. That makes it very, very heavy. It's very high density. All right? Example, you pour some liquid. Let's say syrup, maple syrup, real maple syrup. You pour it into a glass. You pick up that glass. It's heavy. It's heavy. That same glass, you put water in, it's much lighter. The molecules of that substance are very close together. In certain cases, so many little molecules so close together, it makes it very heavy, higher density. All right? So the word density has several meanings about population, weight of something. See what I mean? And the same word is density, spelled D-E-N-S-I-T-Y. So you might say, another big example is oil. That's right. There's thicker oil in your car used to be properly changed for summertime. Why? It's very hot outside. So, why do we need thick oil in the summertime? Because the engine gets hotter faster. So the oil, which is part of the blood of the car, has to flow through. So the oil, in a sense, in the summertime, helps itself going through because of the density of that liquid going through the engine. Yeah. So density is classified as the molecules in that product are very tight together or loose. Some will make it very heavy or very light. As I said before, taking something very heavy, like a pound, let's say, of gold is heavy, heavy. Whereas a pound of aluminum is a lot lighter because of the density of the materials that make up that product. Some are very highly packed, and a lot of them in a small space, and some are loose with a lot of air between them. That's what density means. Till next time, this is Lightning ESL. Today's word is density. D-E-N-S-I-T-Y. Thanks very much for listening. Bye-bye.